Sanibona bafethu, igama lami nguSanele aka uDonso Wenkabi. Bafethu sithi welcome back to i-Starting 11. Njengenjalo bafethu niyazi ukuthi ngihamba nobani, ngihamba noSibuda Libuda. Sibuda hamba kanjani?
Mojo kunjani?
Hayi ngigrand. Namhlanje bafethu sizonpresentela ukuthi obani ama top 5 best leagues in South Africa. Njengoba sazi ukuthi nase Europe khona i-top 5 yakhona, nala eAfrica khona i-top 5. Nanokuthi kungani labo bantu labo be number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. According to International Federation of Football History and Statistics and UCAF, so ibona ababarinkile labantu laba o2 lawo ama organization. So oqala khona iEgyptian Premier League, then yase Egypt le, then bese kuba iBotola Pro yase Morocco le, then number 3 kube iBetway Premiership yase South Africa, then number 4 iAlgerian League, so yase Algeria le, then number 5 iTunisian League yase Tunisia. So njengamanje songena in details ukuthi why Egyptian Premier League number 1. So according to lama organization awu2, according to lama organization awu2, iIFFHS and UCAF, ilokhonji